For an investor who is looking to invest in a fund from the value category, ICICI Prudential Value Discovery is one of the best options available. There are a lot of things going in its favor, and the most prominent among them are a seasoned manager and a well-defined and robust investment strategy. The fund witnessed a change in its manager last year in January when its erstwhile manager Mrinal Singh exited the fund house. But on a positive note, the fund was taken over by Sankaran Naren, who is one of the most experienced managers in the Indian mutual fund industry and an ardent practitioner of value style of investing. Therefore, despite the change in manager, the investment strategy of the fund, which is driven by value-oriented investment approach, remained consistent. Having said that, Naren does bring in his own style of investing while managing this fund, which is relatively unique and in nature it's different from Mrinal's. For instance, while Mrinal used to construct a compact portfolio, Naren prefers constructing a large and diversified portfolio with a long tail. Yet, he ensures that his high conviction holdings have sizable representation in the fund. His investment style also entails capitalizing from short-term investment opportunities in the tail portion of the portfolio, an aspect which was completely missing in Mrinal's investment style. Naren is a disciplined investor and is well versed with the tenets of value investing, having plied it for more than 2 decades. He is patient with his high conviction holdings even when they underperform if they are fundamentally sound and meet his selection criteria. But at the same time, he will not hesitate in paring or trimming exposure in a stock if its valuation moves beyond his comfort level. Naren continues to maintain a predominantly large cap portfolio. However, he will not shy away from shifting towards mid and small cap stocks depending on their relative valuations. After taking over the fund, he has made some significant changes in the portfolio to bring it in line with his thought process and investment style. While the fund has overweight positions in healthcare, utilities and communication services sector, it is underweight in technology, basic material and financial services sector when compared to S&P BSE 500 index. These investment decisions and careful maneuvering within the portfolio has helped the fund to deliver superior performance under Naren's watch so far. Also, the fund has outperformed its peers and category benchmark across time frames by a huge margin. Value style of investing has its own share of risk. In frothy markets, the valuation-driven approach can result in a relative underperformance, as the case was in 2017 and 2019. Also, such an approach may result in value traps if stocks bought based on attractive valuations continue its downward march. But for investors who can withstand these risks, this fund clearly holds a lot of appeal for them and can add significant value in their portfolio.